In this tutorial I will show you how to easily create realistic mockup in Photoshop. Download sample photos, link in description. Double-click the background layer. Choose polygonal lasso tool and follow the process. Press Ctrl-J to copy layer. Choose rectangle tool and follow the process. Right-click and click warp and follow the process. Hold Ctrl key. Add vector mask. Double-click here. Insert your image here and follow the process. Right-click and click blending options. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and for your support. Leave a comment if you enjoyed it. Subscribe Dramax LK YouTube channel.